You guys may look at other platforms and like poo-poo them, right? So like look at TikTok. How many of you guys out there are on TikTok, even consuming the content? You may look at it from a standpoint like, yeah, I'm on TikTok, I'm just consuming content, but there's, from a marketing standpoint, sales standpoint, there's always things to learn from platforms that maybe don't specifically apply to you. So something that is super trendy, that has becoming more trendy even with Instagram, is shorter content videos that are bite-sized, less than 60 seconds. Like, enough people in the industrial manufacturing area are not adapting to that. We do it for our clients, we call them micro content videos, and they're in a certain format, but now we are changing to a vertical format because it fits better on your phone. Even though I know that a lot of you guys that might be watching this on desktop, that I feel like the trend is gonna move more towards, you know, looking at LinkedIn on your phone, and that's what these videos are for. And that was strictly taken out of Instagram and TikTok's algorithm to where this is what works for that platform, and other platforms are gonna start adapting to it.